Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, hey girl, hey, or boy, hey boy, hey. So for today's video, I thought I would go ahead and just review the new Laura Geller and ALANNIZED collab kit. Just came out recently. It is limited edition, but I'll get into that in a few minutes. But yeah, we're just gonna review this. I am wearing it on my face today. So yeah, if you guys wanna see more about this and see some swatches, then just keep watching. All right, so we have the Laura Geller and ALANNIZED two-piece illuminating kit. So it comes with a highlighter and it comes with a lip gloss, which I am wearing both today. We are glowing to the heavens today and I am not mad at it. So it runs for $28 and you can get it at laurageller.com or ulta.com. I'm not sure if Ulta sells it in stores. If they do, I will leave that down below for you guys in the description bar. But yeah, so this is what the box looks like. And here, oh, let me bring it closer. There we go. Don't mind the ring light. The ring light's actually making it look pretty cool though. Okay, so that's what the front of the box looks like. This is what the back of the box looks like. There's Alan there. And it is a two-piece kit. I don't know if I mentioned this already, but it is limited edition. So it's only gonna be out for a certain amount of time. So if you want it, girl, get you one, because it's really cool and I like it. So yeah, I've been using it a lot lately, pretty much every day since I've gotten it. Oh, mine's dirty. It's a little dirty. One moment, please. Oh, okay. So it comes with two things. So this is what the packaging looks like on the highlighter. It's the same as the box. Really pretty. And when you open it up, it's got this cute little mirror. And this is what the highlighter looks like. You can tell I've been loving on it so much. It's called Tempting Topaz. It's like a golden highlight. Really pretty. Like a golden bronzy highlight. It's really gorgeous. It's so freaking buttery, you guys. Oh my gosh, I die. So pretty. But that's what it looks like. But that's what it looks like on my fingers, you guys. So pretty. And I am pretty much drowning in it right now. I put it everywhere. Got the collarbones, got the chi-chis going, got our cheekbones, down the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, just everywhere. I just drowned in it. So yeah, I absolutely love this. I love the formula of it. Super pretty. And it's inexpensive too. It's only $28 for the kit. The lip gloss is really nice too. So this is what the gloss looks like. It's kind of like a bronzy gloss with this blue iridescence to it. Super gorgeous. Love it. It's like blue and pink iridescence for sure. So that looks like on the, what's this called? Doe foot applicator. Girl, get it together. Okay. And then I'll go ahead and just swatch that for you guys so you guys can see. Super pretty. You can see the glitter in it. I absolutely love it. I'm wearing it right now over top another lipstick, like a nude lipstick, and I really love it. I think it's really pretty. It just gives like a pretty sheen and some really good dimension to the lips because it has the glitters in it. It's not sticky at all. It doesn't have a scent to it at all, so if you don't like lip products that have scents to it, I don't mind them, but this one doesn't. And the glitters in it aren't chunky at all. Like, it doesn't feel gritty on the lips. It feels very smooth, definitely not sticky, and yeah, I really love it. I think the formula is great on this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys decide to pick this up in the comment section. I mean, hello, you want to get that highlight on fleek, get that J-Lo glow going, then you need this, girl. Oh, and I totally forgot to swatch the highlighter on my hand for you guys. Let me go ahead and do that. I mean, you can pretty much see me from a mile away, but I'll just swatch it on my hand for you guys too. So that's what it looks like swatched on the hand. Super pretty. I love it. So, and yeah, I think that's it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new. Hey girl, hey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we don't lose each other. And also, if you click that little bell next to the subscribe button, it's going to keep you notified on all my new videos. And yeah, I think that's going to be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I hope to see you in my next video.